G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen here, the Ice Cream Bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, continuing our video series here from the CGIP show in Rimini. Behind me here is a tanker with Callebaut drinking chocolate. There's 31,000 litres of chocolate in this tanker that they're basically slowly evacuating over the 5 days of the show. And you'll see down here behind me this little kiosk where they're basically giving out drinking chocolate samples. Drinking chocolate's really common throughout Europe. A lot of gelaterias have it. In fact, a lot of gelaterias and ice cream shops have a real chocolate culture where they're pairing this Callebaut chocolate and really quality chocolate both in drinking form and in purchase, gift-wise, to complement their menu. So let's kind of have a little bit of a drink of this. You're not going to need a 31,000 litre tank unless you get pretty busy. The chocolate is pretty good though. So there's a large portion of the CGIP show dedicated to chocolate. There's primarily CGIP, the gelato display, and then you've got chocolate and bakery. And there is a lot of crossover between the frozen dessert and gelato concepts in the UK and throughout Europe, and the use of gourmet chocolate, whether they're making it in the store or whether they're buying it in, or utilizing chocolate as a flavor profile and to put on top of their existing frozen dessert. The thing that fascinated me here was this tube or pipe that came from the tanker into this hut and continually upgrading and replenishing the chocolate from lines and lines of people over the days of the show. Absolutely incredible. You may not need 31,000 litres, but I do think you need to consider having gourmet chocolate to complement your frozen desserts. Well, ice cream lovers, the proof's in the pudding here. Callebaut drinking chocolate. Have I got any on my teeth? I'll tell you right now, sipping chocolate and drinking chocolate throughout Europe is pretty popular. In fact, you'll find in many gelaterias, even cafes, they've got 4 or 5 of these little kind of glass dispensers that are continually turning, folding the chocolate, and you only need a little bit. It's so rich, but it's good. Don't need a big cup of it. It's like drinking liquidized chocolate. Anyway, maybe consider it. Something new if you're in somewhat of a cosmopolitan area. Drinking chocolate, you're not going to need 31,000 litres like we do here. But good little gimmick, maybe even have a chocolate tasting night. That's all for this video, folks. Hey, it's great to spend some time with you. Continuing on our video series from Rimini here, CGIP, Italy. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.